This one na Prophetess Grace wey carry police they go arrest Sister Rita mama. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling, if you are correct people, this video today na about Prophetess Grace wey carry police they go arrest Sister Rita mama. So he can't talk now, say a husband don't tell am say make him not do live video for anybody again, make him not talk to anybody where they insult am again for social media. So the thing come dey shocktalize me, my people. And me, I never really see video where Sister Rita take talk to this woman once. So I never see video. But according to wetin dem talk, say somebody wey call for Frank Victor platform, and the person na he go say na the person voice wey they hear. So now they feel say na Sister Rita na he go call for Frank Victor platform, they insult am. Because of that one, and they go carry police, they go arrest him mama for so. And who go bring Sister Rita address come out so his sister, he calls the way they call Felicia. Now he go carry address go come out, my people. More na fear people for this life, oh. More na fear people. Now wow, your own cousin for even though so na they quarrel. Suppose they come meme mama as they first go her house before uncle. What una for talk? You see, because of saga, say you not know say na so it go be. Una they risk something for this life, sha. You carry address, person your own cousin, all because say you the vex for am. You carry and go give your enemy. Now wow, people did this word, my people. Oh. People did this word. No problem, my darling people. Ma put the video more na see and watch the talk. Say the husband say make you not talk again for social media. Make you not talk again because you be prophetess. Not allow anybody use you. Not let people lie to you. Use your eye to say something first before you go the judge you. Not allow anybody use you to go the carry police, they arrest innocent people. And so me I talk and Risha. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.
My husband has forbid me not to reply to any sheets, not to answer anybody, not to talk to anybody. And I will not answer anybody or talk to anybody because I owe no one explanation. Yes, of course. This life we are is a very small world. Very, very small world. If somebody did not look for you, don't look for that person. It's not good. It's not good. I'm a married woman with children. At my age, I know who have seen me before my marriage. Because Facebook is free thing. Anybody can just on Facebook and be saying anything. You think you can just on your Facebook and be insulting me, calling me prostitute? Does it really work out like that? No. So I'm not going to answer anybody. And the other Kwankwadoska, I call her Kwankwadoska. On your Facebook, be doing anything you want to do. That is no problem. You have been doing it for 3 years. You started it. And if you check my wall from 2018 till now, I have never known these people. I don't talk to them. I don't call them. I have never known or talked to anybody before. Apart from I come to my Facebook live, pray, and then I go. I have never talked to anybody because I am a very, very learned somebody. You won't see me post anybody picture on my Facebook harassing anybody. As they post my picture reach for Facebook, as they post my children picture, As they post my husband picture, you know what my husband said? He said, let them post. He said, Facebook is made to post a picture. And now, he said, let them post. He said, Facebook is made to post pictures. And that is true. It's made to post pictures. He said, why if you don't talk to anybody, let them post. Facebook is made to post pictures. So that is why you see me, when you post anything or make a video about me, Prophetess Grace, I will not answer you. But what will answer you will answer you. Because I've kept quiet for 3 years or 2 years. Somebody insulted me, insult my husband, insult my family. I didn't say anything. I come out once. Everybody say, why would she do that? She's a woman of God. And as I end that issue, I have ended it. I don't have anything to do with that issue. If you like, on your Facebook Live, insult me 100 years. I don't have anything. Is it on this Facebook that you people call me a married woman? Is it on this Facebook that you people call me a prostitute? Maybe what you people are doing, you think everybody do it. Is it on this Facebook you people call me 419? Is it on this Facebook you people call my husband name, post my husband picture, do anything because it's Facebook? Do we answer anybody? No. Why is it that Facebook people, you people don't talk truth? I know, my dear. Why is it that you don't talk truth? So this video I'm making is a message. Is a message to everyone who is calling me prostitute on their live videos. They should prepare. I mean it. When you on your live video, I did not talk to you, you curse me, or you have problem with mommy love, then you now add me to it. And now, I will come after those people. I'm not joking. I'm not joking. I'm not joking. Because we are talking about reputation here. So I'm not joking. When you on your Facebook Live and call me names, ready to bring the proof of that name, you call me prostitute, you will bring out those people you saw sleeping with me. Or where and where, I don't even know how they call it, they go, I have gone to stand to do it. I don't have anything against anybody. I have not sit down on my Facebook Live insulting anybody. I have not. I have not on my Facebook Live to talk to anybody. Why will I do that? Because I know it's not good. So why will I do it? I'm not brought up this way. I'm not brought up to be insulting. No. That is not me. I respect both junior and senior. Okay? So if God pass them, don't mind them, mommy. God bless. Oh, my sweetheart. Good. God bless you. God bless you. That is my doctor, my personal doctor. God bless you, Docky. So, whatever you like, that is not of my business. That is not my call. No, that's not my call. Your evil that you are doing is waiting for you. It's waiting for you. You will not see my husband come to live video, or it's hardly for him to even snap picture. He don't like picture. He don't like anything social, and my children don't like it. I have not done anything to you people. I don't know you people. I have not met with you people. I have not met with you people. I don't know you. Some of them insulting me. I have not even been on a call with them. Why me? That's what I'm asking you people. Why are you people after me? So you think I keep quiet for 2 years insult? And then we just enter 2022. I should keep you people quiet again? It's not done. It's not done. And distraction is not in anything in me. You guys cannot distract me. I am called for a purpose. And that purpose we accomplish. Yes. I am called to do my work. That purpose we accomplish. Please, if you have issues, sort yourself out. Don't add my name. Don't call on your live video calling my name. How can you on live video insulting a married woman for hours? I have not done that to you. I have not. So my children, those that love me, my brothers, my sisters, I owe no one's explanation. I have nothing to say.